I'm Rachel. Today I'm introducing you to Slipstick's Gripper Foot, exclusively designed for recliner chairs. Each packet contains 4 feet. The Gripper Foot has a soft rubber O-ring in the base that offers grip and protection to the floor, and the 3 different sized adapters fit chairs with feet from 1 inch or 25mm through to 1.5 inch or 38mm. The adapters simply clip in to suit the size of the leg, plus this is a peel and stick adhesive base. If your recliner chair is sliding in the room each time you sit down and the hard base foot damaging the floor, it's time to install Slipstick Gripper Feet. Installation is easy. Simply lean the chair back to access the base, then clip in the feet one at a time. Depending on the size of the recliner foot, the C-shaped adapter rings may or may not be needed. Then upturn the chair and the job is done. No tools required. No more unwanted movement or damaged floors. Slipstick's recliner gripper feet are backed by our 5-year warranty.